Stay updated with candidate performance directly from Microsoft Teams. Continuously logging into the platform to review candidate performance can be time-consuming and disruptive to your assessment workflow, reducing efficiency and making it more difficult to manage assessment updates. With Microsoft Teams Alert, you can receive notifications about assessment results and candidate activities instantly, all within Microsoft Teams. To integrate these alerts, navigate to Settings, Years, and then select Notifications. In the Teams card, click on Integrate Now. You can then paste the webhook URL obtained from Microsoft Teams and integrate it with a single click. Now, all updates regarding your candidates will be delivered directly to your MS Teams. Let's take a look at a sample alert. Stay informed about candidate performance in real time, save time, and keep your workflow uninterrupted. Ready to streamline your assessment process? Enable Microsoft Teams alerts in VCP today and manage updates with ease.